Hello guys, it's me back again with part 6 of how to make your own action figure. So in today's video, we'll be making the double hinge. So a double hinge is it's actually a single hinge, but it's two single hinges stuck together, which gives double the range. A single hinge gives only like about a 90-degree bend, I think so. Yeah, I have a figure right here. This is not what I made, but it's a Hasbro figure. I'll just show it to you. This is a single hinge, just goes till there, and not even 90 degrees sometimes. Anyways, so I'll show you how to make the double hinge right now. So what you need is paper tape for that right now. Yeah. So take this strip, tear it, do the same usual thing, the glued part on the outside and the non-glued part on the inside. Yes. Then take a toothpick, just start wrapping it around the toothpick. Just like this. Now I need to check the size of the figure too. Should not be too small for the figure, not too big. I think this is fine. Now when you're at this stage, you want to leave a bit of tape still sticking out like that. Then just pull this toothpick out, just like this. Then go here, start rolling that, just like so. Now keep it like that. Over here, the tape. Take a very small strip and make it as thin as possible with the same step, the glued part on the outside, non-glued part on the inside, like that. See how thin it is, like that. Then just wrap it over here. Can you see that? Yeah, right there. It's like that. Now take another piece, just like that, little longer this time. It should be thin again. Yes, like that. Now wrap it like this. Between the first hinge of the double joint and the second hinge, just like that. Just remove the toothpick again, like that. And then take your super glue. You want to fill in the holes over here, 1 and 2, and just want to spread the glue over the layers, so that once you move the joint, the layers don't unfold. Put sufficient amount of glue. You want joints to be tight and not loose, just like that. Then you can leave your joint to dry. I'll make the other one and I'll see you in some time. Stay tuned, there's more. Okay, so till the double hinges are drying, I made another one. So till they're drying, I'll show you how to make the chest for Venom. This chest. So we'll need cardboard now and some, oh god, scissors. Yeah, stupid stand, won't stay still. Anyways, I wanted you'll have to cut a D shape, something like this, like a D. So let's just do that. Just ignore my awkward shape right here, the way I'm cutting it. Blame the camera stand for that. Anyways, just, yeah, let me try to do this. carefully without knocking over the camera here. Right there. Something like that. That's not a D, but still whatever. It's almost a D. So then just make small cuts like this. Multiple cuts of that. Just like this. No, two more. Just like this. This. Now fold them inward. This. Start making it like just like this. They should overlap over it. They should overlap uh, each other. That. Now take some tape. Crack. Okay. Then just tape right there and right there. Then like this. Take the figure. See how it looks. Okay, that's too big. Uh, but yeah, this much. So I'll have to cut the extra part. Just there. That's it. Just tape it to the body. Now this is the part where you need to be careful. You don't want to stick it on his back. That will make his back look funny, especially with the bum on it. So, uh, so now which is his front? Yeah, this is his front. There, stick that, and there. And yeah, just like that. See, and of course later the packs and stuff like that will come and it'll look much better. But yeah, it's like this. Okay, now let's wait for the stupid joints to dry because they take like about 20 minutes each. So I'll see you in 20 minutes. For y'all, it'll just be like maybe 2 seconds. Anyways, I'll see you in 2 seconds.